Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. I know today's video is going to be very controversial. लेकिन लोग क्या कहेंगे और क्या सोचेंगे इस डर से आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्टॉप स्पीकिंग द ट्रुथ because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said truthfulness leads to righteousness and righteousness leads to paradise, and a man keeps on telling the truth until he becomes a truthful man. So let's begin the video. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. So first मैं differentiate करूँगा between culture and Islam. So first let's start with culture. Culture means the way a group of people lives, thinks and does other things. Like take India and Japan. दोनों जगह के लोगों का लाइफस्टाइल, कपड़े, खाना, ग्रीटिंग्स, सेलिब्रेशन सब कुछ काफ़ी डिफरेंट है. एंड दैट्स बेसिकली व्हाट कल्चर इज़. द वे पीपल लिव एंड द थिंग्स दे डू एंड द ट्रेडिशन दे कैरी. Take clothing for example. India has traditional clothes like sarees and kurtas, while Japan has clothes like kimono and yukata. यानी दोनों जगह कपड़े पहने जाते हैं बट स्टाइल डिफरेंट है. इस्लाम मीन्स योर टोटल सबमिशन टू अल्लाह एंड फॉलोइंग द गाइडेंस ऑफ रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. नाउ अगर हम अपने सराउंडिंग्स को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो हम मुसलमानों में भी एक ड्रेसिंग कल्चर है, लाइक टोपी, कुर्ता, बुरखा एंड ऑल. दीज थिंग्स डजेंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग विद अवर फेथ. बट जैसे कि इस्लाम हमको सिखाता है कि वी शुड ड्रेस मॉडेस्ट, डोंट वेयर रिवीलिंग एंड टाइट क्लोथ्स, डोंट बी एरोगेंट ऑफ योर क्लोथिंग. इन सब चीज़ों का अगर हम रूट देखेंगे तो इट विल बी ईदर एरोगेंस और नॉट बीइंग मॉडेस्ट. So the prohibition is on arrogance and not being modest, not on a particular cloth. Islam gives us a dressing code, not a particular dress. But what today we have taken for granted is very different. हम समझते हैं कि an individual in टोपी and कुर्ता is pious, he is the real Muslim, he is closer to Allah. और एक इंसान आम कपड़ों में अल्लाह से करीब हो ही नहीं सकता. We give importance to our appearance so much that we forget the real purpose for which we are here. अपनी दाढ़ी को बढ़ा के हम अल्लाह को धोखा नहीं दे सकते. टोपी और कुर्ता पहन के हम अल्लाह को धोखा नहीं दे सकते. वी आर्ट फिलिंग द पर्पस बाय वेयरिंग ट्राउजर्स अबव आवर एंकल्स. दो दीज आर ऑल मॉडेस्ट डीड्स. हमारा पर्पस ये है ही नहीं. दैट्स वाई द उम्मा इज स्टक. हम इससे आगे बढ़कर कुछ सोचते ही नहीं. Islam is not just another mazhab. Islam is not just praying 5 times a day or fasting. Islam isn't just another set of rituals. Islam is deen, not a mazhab. Deen means a system of life, set of principles and a complete way of life, which includes literally everything, from finance to etiquettes, from dealings to lifestyle, from behaving with people to a complete way of life. Topi, kurta and all are the culture of us, not definition of faith. We are so in love with the culture that we don't even care to look inside ourselves. Why are we here? Why are we sent on this earth? Whom do we serve? Do we serve the culture or the deen of Allah? Stop being obsessed with the appearance. एक ग्लास को बाहर से कितना भी चमका लो, अंदर का पानी गंदा है तो वो पीने के लायक नहीं बनेगा. Nothing changes if nothing changes. अल्लाह ताला कुरान में फरमाता है कि इन्नल्लाह ला युगय्यिरु मा बिकौमि हत्ता युगय्यिरु वमा बिअनफुसिहिम, which means indeed Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. हम दीन को बस इस लेवल तक समझे हैं कि इस्लाम बस कुछ रस्मों और रिवाजों का नाम है. इस्लाम बस कुछ रस्म और रिवाज का नाम नहीं है. टुडे we focus so much on our appearance, and this is what leading us to the reason for which Iblis became Shaitan. He was the first one to judge someone based on their appearance, and we are doing the same. But what we not know is what a person holds in their hearts. We have become too quickly to judge someone. We fear judgment too. When we are with others, we fear that how will this person judge me, while the problem lies within ourselves. We judge others, that's why we fear the judgment from others. So first, stop judging someone based on their appearance. Remember that one day you will be brought in front of Al-Hakam, the real judge. What most of the ulama focus on is the appearance and rituals. Nobody talks about the real purpose, the revival of Khilafah. Nobody talks about that. Nobody talks about the oppression going on in the world right now. We have forgotten about Palestine and other places where there is absolute inhumanity going on. और हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हमारी तो आपस की लड़ाई ख़त्म नहीं हो रही. हम बातिल से कैसे मुकाबला करेंगे? हम तो बस डिबेट्स, रिचुअल्स, आपस के इख्तिलाफ, शिया, सुन्नी, बरेलवी, देवबंदी, अहले हदीस, वी हैव बिकेम सो डिवाइडेड अमंग आवरसेल्व्स दैट वी कांट इवन थिंक आउटसाइड ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी। अगर हम उम्मत की हालत को दूर से देखेंगे तो ऐसा लगता है कि वी आर इन अ केज fighting with each other to defend that my group of people is on the right path and all others are ignorant. I don't understand why these people can't live without following one opinion while respecting others. Listen, I don't mean to hurt anyone's feeling or promote immoral dressing. मेरा मतलब ये नहीं है कि you should wear tight clothes, wear revealing clothes, become immodest. मेरा मतलब ये है कि stop judging someone based on their appearance. Stop mixing culture with Islam and making one particular cloth an obligation for the ummah. This is not Islam. Islam lies in our hearts. Islam lies in our soul. First, focus on your nafs. Focus on fixing your connection with Allah. Observe yourself. Observe what you do when no one is watching. The real test is within you. Your nafs, our nafs wants to judge others because it thinks that nobody is better than him. The moment you remind yourself that from dust I am, to dust I shall return, that's what I believe your superpower is. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about, but I have more to say, and I'll be talking about more topics ahead. So I hope that you have understood this video. I hope that you haven't misunderstood my talks. I didn't meant to say that we should wear, I'm not promoting immorality or immodest clothes. I just wanted to make sure that everybody knows that what is culture and what is Islam, for what we are made and for what we aren't. So yeah, I hope you understand it well. If you have any questions, you can ask to me in the comment box. And yeah, I hope everything is going well for you, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, Allah Hafiz.